How to restore the rotation curve. Do you need the contour of the turned part to produce this part? Since NX 2007, you can do this with a few clicks. And with that, welcome to Tips and Tricks on LearnNX. Start the Revolve Outline command and select the body. NX automatically selects one of the cylindrical faces and creates an axis. Choose Select Axis Face for a manual selection. If the axis is parallel to the absolute X, Y, or Z axis, the Revolve Outline is generated immediately. But this part is not orientated to the absolute axis. Therefore, a surface must be selected to create a plane for the Revolve Outline. That's all. The command works for parametric models as well as for non-parametric models. The turned part can now be created using the Revolve command. The curves are selected with the Connected Curves option. On LearnNX.com, you will find even more tips and tricks, as well as a complete, free NX course.